Hi students, hope all are fine. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about disaccharides. So this is one of the important topic in biomolecules. In all point of view, all exam point of view, it plays very important role. So disaccharides, linkages, glycosidic linkages, they are asking what are the units present in sucrose, lactose, maltose, they are asking. It's very important topic. In very easy way, I am going to discuss part 2. Hope everyone completed part 1, part 2 seeing. Part 2, if you have command in our videos, so definitely part 3, it is very easy. Please go through that part 2 and come back to here. So first one, I am going to discuss sucrose. Sucrose. What is sucrose structure? I am going to discuss first. Its first important point for all I am writing. Its molecular formula C12. Its molecular formula C12H22O11. This is sucrose molecular formula. Next, on hydrolysis. Sucrose on hydrolysis. On hydrolysis get glucose plus fructose. Next, it is non-reducing sugar. This part 1 I had explained about this point. Non-reducing sugar. And fourth point, no mutarotation. No mutarotation due to the absence of hemiacetal group. Due to the absence of hemiacetal group. What is hemiacetal group? I will show. I will show after explanation of lactose, maltose. See. So here next main important point is your glycosidic linkage. The glycosidic linkage alpha glucose and beta fructose, alpha glucose, beta fructose by 1,2 glycosidic linkage. By 1,2 glycosidic linkage. Very important point. Okay. First draw the structure of alpha glucose and I gave one skeleton how easily we can draw. See, this is our skeleton, right? This is head. This is head, right? This is second carbon. This is third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon is CH2OH. What is this indicate, students? What I gave in the previous video, it indicates OH group. Can we draw now structures? Pyranose structures. I am going to draw pyranose structures with the help of the skeleton. Already you know, happy. Now, see. Alpha is nothing but what I said, first carbon, fifth carbon, 1, 5, 1, 5, cyclic structure, no? 1, 5. So, first carbon, right hand side OH is nothing but OH down. H is top. That's it. Next, your second carbon, OH down. Right hand side. Right hand side all down. Right hand side all down. Left hand side all top. This is left hand side OH group. Here OH. H. Right. Next one. Here what is this carbon? This is, what is this? Here hydrogen. This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. This is 1, this is 2 students, this is 3, 4. Fourth carbon, OH is down. Fourth carbon, OH is down, H is top. And here, least priority group down, highest priority group top. This is what we call it as alpha glucose. Right? Alpha glucose connecting with, what is this? Beta fructose. Beta fructose. In fructose also third, fourth, fifth carbons is same. Third, fourth, fifth carbons are same, right? fructose, furanose structure. What is the furanose structure? Tell me, students. What is the furanose structure? 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring, right? So 1-2 linkage. What is this? 1-2 linkage. Now, first furanose, fructose structures, glucose structure, explanation time I gave. Almost same. 3, 4, 5 carbons are same and first carbon slight difference is there. What is this? I'm going to draw. CH2OH. CH2OH. Where we have to write CH2OH? Down. Okay. This is beta fructose. What I said? This is alpha glucose storage. And down one beta fructose. Beta means yes. OH is top. And this is CH2OH. Fructose structures, please go through it. And 3, 4, 5 carbons are same, no? What is this 3? You can write. H is down, OH is top. And here 4th carbon, OH, H. 5th carbon, top priority group, top, here down, lowest priority. That's it. Simple. Now what I said? 1-2 linkage. This is carbon 1. Here carbon 1. This is give numbering. This is 1. This is 2. This is what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Okay. Here also this is 1. This is 2 students. This is 3. And this is 4. And this is 5. This is 6. Yes. This is the linkage. See how easy it is. How can I show now? OH group and this H group will go. Removing water. That's it. Removing water. Now remaining we have to write as it is. Remaining no change. No change. That. This is what students, this is what hydrogen. No change, right? This is glycosidic linkage, oxygen. One second. That's it. This is H. See, H I am writing as it is. These groups also as it is you can write H and what is the students OH and what is this H? Yes, OH. Don't leave like a skeleton. If you leave like this, they will give 0 mark. Competitive examination, just they are asking what is what is the linkage, but board examination, whatever you are writing, we have to write whole atoms and groups. Otherwise, they will not give single mark also. CH2OH. Here as it is OH and this is what students H, H, OH. Next one CH2OH, CH2OH and H. This is this linkage. This linkage we call it as glycosidic linkage. This is the linkage. This oxygen linkage that we call it as glycosidic linkage or ether linkage also. Ether linkage. This is about sucrose. This is about sucrose. So next to disaccharide is lactose and maltose. Lactose, one beta galactose we are using, beta galactose and beta glucose. In maltose we are using 2 glucose units only. Everyone try it. I am giving one hint, 1,4 linkage of glucose in maltose, and galactose and glucose, some slight changes are there. I am going to do the upcoming videos, these two disaccharides. So prepare well students for examination after listening the videos and give likes. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.